For this class activity, we're going to be talking about using visual activities to help guide student reflection on their own learning, as well as give teachers insight on the confidence levels of each of their students on what they have learned throughout each of their lessons and the day. So for this one, I'm going to be focusing on our visual activities template toolkit. And you'll see we have a couple different reflection templates up at the top. But for this one, I'm going to click on and open up the pulse check for objectives. When I click on this link, it is now creating my own copy of this template that I can start to edit to meet the needs of my reflection. So you'll come in here and you can write what the objectives are for the day. So you might have a math objective, you might have a science objective, or if you teach science all day, you might have multiple objectives related to the science lesson that you've done. So once you've written out each of the objectives, so I can, or I am able to. So once you've written those objectives, then you can come in and save the changes. And again, use that blue share link to make sure the link is open and editable. And then you can use the blue copy link to send them into the entire LucidSpark document. Or once it's set to edit, I can just grab this share link and I can send that out to the students. Then what this does is it allows them to come in and place where they're at specifically with each objective. And what I love about this, when we go in to view the results, it will aggregate the data for you. So it'll show you that average. So I will see in the results that these three objectives, the majority of my class is confident. So I'm not going to reteach this. I'm definitely going to reteach this objective because the majority of the class is confused. And then I might look specifically at who needed more practice and just pull a small group. I can also click on each of the individual names down the left-hand side, and this will also give me specifically what that student put. So that way I can get real insight into how my students are feeling about their learning in order to drive future instruction.